Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel formulas. To begin, open your Excel workbook and select any empty cell where you want your formula result to appear. Remember, every formula must start with an equal sign. This tells Excel that you are entering a calculation, not just text. For instance, type equals 10 plus 5 and press Enter to see the sum of 15. Let's explore basic arithmetic operations. You can add values using the plus sign, like equals A1 plus B1. For subtraction, use the minus sign, such as equals C5D5. To multiply, use the asterisk, for example, equals E2 asterisk F2. And for division, use the forward slash, like equals G3 slash H3. These fundamental operations are the building blocks for more complex calculations in your spreadsheets. Beyond basic arithmetic, Excel offers powerful built-in functions. The SUM function is incredibly useful for adding up a column or row of numbers, like equals sum, B2, B10. The average function quickly gives you the mean of a data set. Count helps you quickly see how many entries you have, and MAX identifies the highest value. These functions save you significant time and effort when working with large data sets. Finally, let's understand cell references. Relative references, like A1, adjust when you copy a formula to a new location. Absolute references, such as $1, stay fixed, always pointing to the same cell, which is crucial for calculations involving a constant value. Mixed references, like $1 or $A1, lock either the row or the column. Mastering these reference types is key to building robust and error-free spreadsheets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.